Anong next after Blood versus Duty? Ano pang aabangan sa'yo?
Yan ang mga magandang tanong. Meron akong ginagawa, kasalukuyan, bukas may shooting kami.
Wow.
Like first day na kami nung isang araw, kahit mapulan, lakas ng ulan, so mag-ingat lahat. It's a very interesting film. Kasama ko si Napoles. Pwede ko naman sabihin hanggang doon lang. Kasama ko si Gerald Napoles.
Okay.
One of my dream projects. Nung ginagawa namin yung...
Dalawang July.
Dalawang July. Kaya sa set, hirap eh. Pag J, kami parehas eh.
Okay.
Ano tawag dito? So, nung ginagawa namin, nag-usap kami niya, it's a different, unique style. Unique style. May action, may comedy. Ang ganda, may puso yung storya. Nakikita ko may ibang cast member dyan sa screen eh. Hindi ko pwede sabihin kung sino pa. But yeah, so yun.
Thanks, Jen.
Abangan nyo yan ha.
Thank you.
Oh wow, you know, laking ano eh. Kaya ako nandito kasi in-invite ako and this is for Philippine cinema, di ba? Dami natin pinagdadaanan ngayon sa industriya. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mag-work, kung ano yung hindi mag-work. I'm just very happy to be part of this and kung anong may ambag ko at may tulong ko para makatulong sa industriya natin. Para sa atin lahat din yan eh. Di ba? And very proud ako kasi until this day, you know, relevant pa rin ang OTJ, di ba? And just to be here and to be representing that and Philippine cinema.
Minsan ba nakaka-pressure pag may mga ganitong act, parang papuri? Kasi parang dumadagdag yung sa'yo na dapat maganda yung next movie mo or
Di naman.
quality.
Kasi wala akong mas nagbibigay ng mas malaking pressure kaysa sa sarili ko eh. Ako talaga eh. Every time, I'm sure nakikita nyo naman, every time na may proyekto ako talaga, I try my best para maganda talaga siya, maganda yung performance, maganda yung storya. It's not pressure, it's just sobrang blessed na may ganong akong oportunidad.
Siya, unforgettable yung pelikula, no? Ano yung sa'yo na hindi mo makakalimutan while doing the film?
Eksena? Alam mo yung eksena na ano, hindi ko na sabihin kasi medyo may mura yun eh. Hindi ko, nung ginagawa ko yun, yung gano'n, hindi ko alam na maging memorable siya or remarkable or significant, di ba? And you never know na ano eh. I just knew na, Tito Pepo, I just knew we were doing something na maganda. Tito Pepo,
Kadilim na ang mga karakter kung di perpetrator, victim, or both. Paano mo pinasok yung mundong yun na ibang-iba naman sa mundo mo?
Well, first of all, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Sa totoo lang, kanina pa ako nasa-stress dito kasi hindi ko po alam kung paano ako na-invite at napasama pa dito sa stage with these incredible people who've done so much para sa industriya. Hindi ko po ata nabasa na maayos yung invite. Buti na lang. Hindi ko po nabasa kasi if I would have known na ito palang mangyayari, mahiya po ako kasi syempre, you know, to be in the presence of these kind of people who've done so much para sa industriya natin. But nevertheless, maraming pong salamat sa invitation and I'm very proud to be here. Pinapakinggan ko lang yung mga storya nila. It's motivating me so much para magtrabaho. But yeah, ano po Ma'am Joan, that we shot that movie in 2011. So, I don't know, I must have been 21 years old, parang ganon. And that was the time of my life and my career where I wanted to really focus on the craft. Kasi po, lahat po ng projects ko, I was in a love team. So I wanted to kind of, you know, transition to trying to become an actor. You know, the best actor I could be. And yun na po, sunod-sunod na po yun. After OTJ, I did Budoy, and I did these amazing, tayo, Tito Vip. You know, because when you always challenge yourself, you know, and you always, you feel uncomfortable at hindi ka sure kung kaya mo gawin, that's when beauty happens and the magic happens. So, sa awa po ng Diyos, nung edad na yun, medyo makapal po yung mukha ko at talagang naglakas loob lang ako. But, yeah, you know, as an actor, nasabi na rin po nilang lahat, you always prepare, you always, you know, research and you study the script. But this movie did not become this kind of movie dahil lang po sa character ko. It really took the whole team, you know, the brilliance of Direk Eric Mati, yung producers, the whole staff, and I'm just very proud to be part of it. Ang masasabi ko lang, I just really did, at that young of an age, I just did my best. Wala po akong amazing story katulad nila, but I think it's also, hopefully, that could also inspire the new up-and-coming actors and actresses out there na really focus on the craft. Especially po sa panahon ngayon na puro social media, influencers, just really focus po sa craft kasi I was so blessed to nakakasama ko po si Tito Pip and other great actors. So, yeah, di ba? So, yun po, and directors of course. But yeah, yun lang po. And thank you again sa invite.
We're very happy to have you.
Hindi pa.
Very happy.
Nung nasa loob po ng PBB, hindi ako makapaniwala, makakasampa ako sa stage na with all these amazing people. But thank you, thank you.
Thank you for being here.